to another adult craft tutorial. My name is Evelyn and this is Wesly.
Hello.
And today we are going to be doing a puzzle wreath ornament.
Yes.
Any of you guys have unwanted puzzles that you've lost pieces to or you've just lost interest in? This is a great thing to do instead of throwing them out. And Wesly is going to be going over some of the supplies that we're going to need.
All right, so let's look in our mystery bag and see what we got.
All right, everybody, so let's take a look at what we got in our bag. If you want to come pick up a kit at the library, we have them here at the front desk. Just come and request one during business hours. You can also get one via curbside pickup if you'd like, Monday through Friday, 10 to 5. And when you get your kit, you're going to have a whole bunch of goodies in there. So what you're going to need are the unused puzzle pieces that you don't want anymore. And you want to make sure this is something you can throw away, something that's old, because you want to upcycle and recycle and stuff. But if not, you can actually get these at the dollar store. They're very affordable. And puzzles come in different sizes. And the one you're wanting to look for is a 100-piece size, because those pieces are actually bigger. And we've got a little bit of a comparison to show you. As you can see, this is the 100-piece size that we're going to be using. We found this was the best size because if you actually use the 500-piece, you're probably going to be here forever and you're not going to get anything done. As you can see, that is the smallest one, and that is going to be a pain. The 300-piece sizes are okay. You're going to be doing a little bit more work, and if you actually want to use a combination of all the sizes when you're layering these, they look pretty good. But in this instance, you're going to get to the 100-piece size. You're also going to need some of your own stuff, which is paint, if you didn't want to use spray paint like we did for ours. You can easily use craft or acrylic paint if you want. It's just going to, the spray paint is faster, so if you're going to use acrylic paint, you're going to be painting these by hand. And then you're going to get a circle template, and the diameter is roughly 4 3/4 inches, and the inside is actually 3 1/4 inch. But you can actually eyeball these. We were originally going to do a wreath size, which is a full big size. But if you're going to do a wreath size, like a door hanger, then you're going to need more pieces. And that's going to take like a big puzzle to cover. So we found that the ornament sizes are actually really good to do. You're also going to need glue of some sorts. If you want to use hot glue, you're more than welcome to do that. But we used simple PVA glue, and we found that it worked out pretty good. And lastly, you're going to get a bag of embellishments, bows, ribbons, and these little pom-poms that you're going to glue to the wreath when they are done. And it also helps to get a little bit of ribbon, because that's going to make the backer on your ornament.
So next we're going to be gluing our puzzle pieces to the template. And I will be showing you how to layer the puzzle pieces on. This is one of our easiest crafts that we've done. We are trying to go easy on you since it's been a hard year. So first, you will be gluing these while you are layering them. But I will just be layering them just to make the process a little faster. So you just want to make sure that some of the pieces are sticking out, that create a little bit of a 3D effect. You're going up, then go under, over, over, under, some under. And that's the first layer. Then with the second layer, it's just going to be all on top.
And that's going to give it that dimension you want.
And that will give you the dimension you want, like Wesly says.
And we actually found that you don't necessarily need the cardboard or cardstock template underneath. But it helps to give it a little bit of lift and a little bit of structure and a
Mhm.
little bit
And
of a guideline.
also, yeah, it keeps you more in shape without going too wobbly or egg-shaped. And that would be the layer. And now if you want to add more colors on there, white puzzle pieces, red puzzle pieces, you can always do that.
And through Martha Stewart magic, we actually have one that has been completed and layered.
There you go. Goes from that to this.
Exactly. Okay, so let's take a close-up look of how the ornaments are supposed to look. This is the basic ring that Evelyn did earlier. She simply did 2 layers and she just laid them on top of each other. But for this version, she actually did 2 different colors for the pieces, which is red and white. And she layered those on top to make them look like little ornaments that are on the sides. You could do that if you wanted. You could even take a basic green one and you can use a thin layer of spray melt or glue, or you can even brush it with Mod Podge and then sprinkle the glitter on. And this one's unfinished, but I've got a bunch of shiny embellishments that are going to go on that, and it's going to make it sparkly. Evelyn did an all-white version, which is actually really pretty. And then you need to think outside the box, and you can do different shapes like this candy cane. And I'm actually going to do a snowman one eventually.
Okay, so that's how you do it. Like we said, it's super easy. You could even have your kids do it with you. Fill up your tree with a bunch of different puzzle ornaments. You could even stick a picture behind it to make it more personal, give it out for gifts. So I hope you enjoy it. And I want to tell you about some of the things that are happening here at the library in the month of December. On December 18th, we're going to have a Citizens at Last, the Women's Suffrage Movement in Texas display here at the library. It was through a grant that Leah got for us. And we will be closed the 24th, 25th, 26th, and 27th of December for the Christmas holiday. And, before that, I'm so sorry.
Yes.
We have the holiday movie watch party on Netflix that we will be showing, or they will be showing the Christmas Chronicles at 5:30. So make sure to log on and share or watch
It's going to be through
with
Netflix's
us.
teleparty share system. So be sure to go to netflixwatchparty.com and learn how that's going to work.
I've never done it before. I'm really excited to try it out and see.
But you can watch with us live and comment and pop some popcorn with us, and we'll watch a Christmas movie.
Yes. So that's all for now. We will let you know when our next adult craft is going to be. So keep
Happy
on.
holidays.
Yep. Happy holidays.
Bye,
Bye.
everyone.